Say hi.
Okay. Hi.
For the camera's purposes, this is blonde girl.
Hi,
Blonde girl?
Blonde girl? Right? Really, Maggie? No, it's not. Blonde girl.
No.
Sorry.
Yours is not on that.
There was a couple sensitive issues, but we caught.
I didn't take yours. Here, you can
Moon Lord.
Here, no, babe.
I don't want it. It's a dark alley. Oh.
Yeah, two dark colors.
Yeah, they're gonna murder us.
Hey, that one back there, he likes to give in.
Feeding the Moon Lord.
I say we should move on to some card games.
Now my victory sip. Kenny, we just defeated the Moon Lord. How do you feel?
On expert mode, you gotta make sure to declare that.
We just defeated the Moon Lord. What are you gonna do now? I'm gonna go to Disneyland. Ah!
I've been thinking about moving my career elsewhere into other sides of games. I think I might be good at it.
Yeah, except you suck Yeah.
Hey, why don't I just Google us to Coyote? We're like a block away.
I would like to go to Coyote.
I went to the first one. I went to the one in Nashville.
Yeah.
Well, you're gay.
Disappointing.
What?
Disappointing.
We just defeated the Moon Lord, guys. How do you feel?
Sad because he took my Meow-thingy.
Meowmere.
Meowmere.
That's what you call drunk driving.
It's what you call going the wrong way. That was a good song.
Whoa!
Hey.
Just walk in front of me. No worries. Don't worry about it. Trina!
Be me.
Stay away from me.
You stay away from me.
Thank you.
You and me think
No ice. Put some ice in there.
Victory chug. Victory chug. Victory chug.
Someday, things are
Gonna get easier. Someday things will get better.